Consumatum est.
The early morning hours of December 30, 1896, the Philippine national hero Jose Rizal was executed by firing squad in Bagong Bayan, now known as Luneta Park. Rizal, a man of intellect and courage, was an advocate for reforms in the Philippines under Spanish rule.
Adiós, patria adorada, rayón del sol querida, perla del mar de oriente, nuestro perdido Edén. A darte voy alegre la triste mustia vida, y fuera más brillante, más fresca, más florida. También por ti la guerra por tu bien. En campos de batalla, luchando con dinero, otros te dan sus vidas sin dudas, sin pesar. El sitio nada importa, ciprés, laurel o lirio, cadalso o campo abierto, combate o cruel martirio. Lo mismo es si lo piden la patria y el hogar. Adiós, padre y hermanos, trozos del alma mía, amigos de la infancia en el perdido hogar. La gracia que descanso del fatigoso día. Adiós, dulce extranjera, mi amiga, mi alegría. Adiós. Queridos seres, morir es descansar.
Fight of being falsely accused of inciting rebellion against the Spanish colonial government, Rizal faces fate with unwavering resolve and dignity. His writing and actions inspired of generations of Filipinos to fight for their freedom and independence.
He had poured his soul into his writings, Noli Me Tangere and El Filibusterismo, exposing the injustices and corruption that plague his beloved Philippines. He had advocated for education, for equality, for a voice for his people within the existence.
In those final agonizing moments, his thoughts likely raced to his family, to his beloved Leonor Rivera, to the future he would not see.
Jose Rizal, a true hero of the Philippines, whose courage and patriotism will forever be remembered and honored. His spirit lives on in the hearts of every Filipino, guiding them towards a brighter future.
Consumatum est.
That. Alpha. Luego, vamos.